I went to graduate school at Princeton, and it followed other people from Loras at Princeton, but it worked out really well for me. And it turns out that these sort of smaller environments fit my personality better, and I think that's an important thing for parents to learn. You have to look at your kid and determine, where does this person learn best? Not all people learn in big classes. Loras can give you an opportunity to try out chemistry, to try out something else if chemistry doesn't work, to try out research, to try out interacting with a faculty member to learn how to think about science. I think that's really good. Bob Rulin was the most. It turned out that by historical accident, not only did I do research with Bob Rulin, but I had him for 3 semesters of physical chemistry and 1 semester of inorganic. So I had him for 2 years running every course. Florian Stork I had for analytical chemistry, and while as a student I thought that was a negative experience, it turned out in life to be a very positive experience because Florian taught you to do it right. And you had to do it right. And I end up teaching my own students that you have to do it right. Even if you have to do it 10 times, you have to do it right. And so it was a great lesson that's hard to appreciate when you're 18 years old, but it was a good one. When you look at a program in science, you want to be in a place where you can contact the professor, where you can learn the things you want to learn. So they have to have courses that you want to take, but they also have to have other students. And that's really an important thing. You need to have other fellow students because you learn a lot from your fellow students. You're going to form study groups, you're going to talk about problem sets, you're going to compare how you worked on the exam. And so these things are really an important thing. And so you want to evaluate, not only are the courses there, not only is the major there, but are there other students, and do I want to interact with those students? A big part of being at Loras was actually not as much in the classroom. It was my buddies, if you like, in the dorm. And intramural athletics and things like that, and being on a team together and forming friendships that lasted for a lifetime. So some of us are still good buddies after many years, even though we see each other every 5 years.